Okay, so Ajay Kumar, several Congress governments have raised objections with the vaccine policy, but when the government was centralizing and taking decisions, you wanted this to be thrown open to state governments, which is exactly what the Modi government has now done. So why then does the Congress still have a problem?
No, first question, Rahul, is I think I think when actual facts, the government has price on remdesivir. Is the remdesivir available in black or not? So which world are we living in when we say that there are three different prices working vaccination? The government has announced a price for remdesivir. It has announced a price for tocilizumab. And here is a private company funded by the government. Bharat Biotech research and the intellectual property is owned by the government of India. We give them 3,000 crores and 1,000 crores. Then you say you price it differently and the market forces will operate. You couldn't even control the remdesivir prices. You're getting it at 1,50,000 people all over. And you think that the private players, now Mr. Adar Poonawalla is deciding that who is he going to distribute to? He said in his interview on this channel, or whatever I heard your bite, that I will distribute to first Maharashtra because they have the right. So now Mr. Adar Poonawalla is the god, and Bharatiya Janata Party decides that God, Adar Poonawalla will decide who will get the vaccine in Maharashtra, and rest of Bihar can go to dogs and Jharkhand can go to dogs because Mr. Poonawalla will say that who needs to get the vaccine. And Bharat Biotech will say in Hyderabad that since you're in Hyderabad, we will distribute to the people of Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad first. What are you doing? Have you ever heard of three levels of pricing? They're saying 2 levels of pricing right now. Let's imagine that it is 400 and 600. And private guys will always find the lowest common denominator. They will identify 600 rupees private hospitals and say, hey, listen, by the way, Bihar and Pondicherry, please, we don't have the capacity. We have sent it to the private players. And the same central government was creating lockdown, was controlling oxygen, and the chaos it created. Oxygen was under the government with 34 members of the committee, and I hope the media starts reporting on the abysmal failures of the COVID disaster in India. The deaths are horrific. And the responsibility is because of this government. And why 1st of May? Because they can go and buy MPs from MLAs from Assam and Bengal and leave it to the state government to suffer with the people with the oxygen shortage. The central government decides the oxygen distribution. And you have seen the chaos in India. Now you will see the vaccine chaos. You will see that the poorest, like Professor Ram correctly said, you will see the poorest absolutely denied. And this country will go through hell because of this policy. Mr. Poonawalla is deciding, Rahul, that who will get the vaccine, and then Bharat Biotech will decide who will get the vaccine. I mean, what are we doing? And any common guy, even the European Union, the richest countries in the world are giving their citizens free at a price which is €1. I mean, it was leaked at €1.58, which they negotiated.